vanilla-inspired night routine you didn't even know you needed. So for me, I'm a night showerer, and I absolutely love gourmand vanillas, and my night showers are whenever I take my self-care to the next level. To start out, every single night, I turn on my Salt Rock nightlight, I dim the lights, and make it as cozy as possible. I've been loving this Sleepy body wash, which is like this sweet vanilla lavender scent that I use with either a loofah or my dry brush, which I actually take in the shower. And lately I've been loving this lavender essential oil, and I just drop a few drops in the shower right as I'm getting in, so I'm really getting like some lavender aroma to really relax. My absolute favorite gourmand sweet vanilla, this buttercream vanilla cake body lotion, I have been snacking on. Not really, but this is my absolute favorite body lotion, honestly, of all time, I think. So I just take my time and apply it to my whole body, yes, every single night. And I take this time to like really help like massage my legs and help with lymphatic drainage. I'm pregnant right now, and so my veins are like really kind of popping out right now, so I just try to take my time and like massage any sore spots and help with lymphatic drainage and try to deal with some cellulite, but it is what it is. The robe I'm wearing is from Nothing Fits But. I will leave everything linked below, but this is just, so vanilla to me, and it's so comfy and luxurious. And now I didn't have like a whole lot of vanilla skincare necessarily. I do have this vanilla oat milk sheet mask, which I started my whole skincare routine with, and then I thought, you know what, La Mer is luxurious and it's gonna fit the vanilla in spirit. So I used all of my La Mer products for my skincare routine this night. Even though it doesn't smell like vanilla, it's giving vanilla spiritually. And I absolutely love perfume, and this one isn't a straight vanilla, but it's a vanilla sweet gourmand. It's kind of like a really fancy luxurious vanilla, if you will. It's got other notes in it which I can't think of right now, but Bianco Latte is the most delicious fragrance. I actually bought this one in Paris, if you can believe it. And then an oldie but a goodie, this Vanilla Secret just deodorant is my absolute favorite since middle school. Okay, now for a vanilla marshmallowy themed nighttime snack. I wanted to make some Rice Krispie treats, and while I was waiting for that butter to melt, I made my Sleepy Time tea, which I turn vanilla by just adding some vanilla extract, a little bit of Fleur de Sel sea salt, and some honey. And while that was steeping, I finished making the Rice Krispies, which you all, I've never even made before. Oh, this Villeroy and Bosch set, I'll have it linked below too. This teacup, this saucer, this spoon, it's so artistic and beautiful. Anyways, I saw this like popcorn recipe that involved marshmallows and funfetti cake, but I just kind of made it into Rice Krispies because I'm not that into popcorn. So I added some of this Rise protein powder, because why not? It's hard enough to get all the protein we need in, and no one said it had to be low calorie. So I am absolutely measuring everything from the heart, just slapping some marshmallows in there. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I will say that these turned out so good. And my husband said they are the best Rice Krispies he's ever had. So, I don't know how much of a Rice Krispie connoisseur he is, but these were like vanilla marshmallow to the max. This was an incredible dessert, and like I said, why not add protein, because it's gonna be great. And again, I did not follow a recipe. Everything was measured from the heart. I just kept stirring in things, and this is the point where I realized that I had made a mistake and did not need a whisk anymore. So I emptied that out and got a spatula. I don't know if it's like pregnancy brain or what. And then honestly, this wasn't even like the last thing that I was like, literally, why did I even try to do this like this? Oh, here's Mariposa. She has to see what's going on and wanted to help. Her cute little bracelet. She just loves to help out in the kitchen as much as she can. And then right here, I don't know why I thought I didn't need a container to help shape this. I just slapped some wax paper onto the countertop and just like put it on here, and then was like, okay, actually, what am I thinking? So I just got a little glass container and tried to squish it down to the best of my abilities, and I thought this wax paper, it just like wasn't gonna stick, so I was like, I don't even need the spatula anymore. And here you can see that I'm like, oh, actually that was really sticky. Our little vanilla marshmallow snack turned out so delicious and sweet, and I smell just as sweet as this dessert. Thank you so much for watching this vanilla inspired night routine.